Welcome to the Singer family. In this video, we'll unbox your brand new Singer 9900 series sewing machine, explore what's included, and guide you step by step through the setup and installation. Let's get started. When you open the table box, you'll find the table board, table legs, and a set of nuts, bolts, and screws. Everything you need to quickly and easily assemble your sewing machine table. Let's start by preparing the table legs. Each leg comes in two parts that easily slide into each other. Adjust these channels to your desired height, then secure them in place by firmly tightening the provided screws. Once you've adjusted both legs to your desired height, firmly screw the base feet onto the bottom of each leg to keep your table steady. Next, let's attach the nameplate. Align it carefully with the table legs as shown. Then, securely fasten it in place using the provided screws. Now let's attach the pedal plate. Align the pedal strip with the two holes on the side of the pedal plate, then tighten it properly using the screws provided. Next, take the two pedal clamps and insert them into the side holes of the pedal plate as shown. Now carefully position the clamps along with the pedal plate into the middle slots of the pedal base. Now, firmly tighten the screws to securely fix the pedal plate in place. Now, keeping the pedal strip toward the machine's front side, place it into the bottom of the stand as shown. Take these bolt plates and position them below the foot paddle base and fasten the nut loosely. Now position the foot paddle base like this. Keep approximately a 3-finger distance from the edge for optimal usability, and then tighten the screws firmly into place. Now that your sewing machine's table stand is ready, let's move on to the next step. Now, let's attach the toolbox drawer. For this step, carefully flip the tabletop upside down. Now, using these strips provided, we'll attach the toolbox securely into place. Now, carefully place the tabletop upside down on a clean, soft surface. Then, position the table legs onto the tabletop as shown. Keep a distance of around 8 inches from the edge of the tabletop and mark for accurate screwing position. Screw the legs to the tabletop firmly. Next, let's install the foot controller. Start by screwing one end of the foot sensor rod to the foot pedal here. Tighten the screw firmly at this joint, then securely attach the other end to the foot sensor. Next, we will attach the foot sensor beneath the tabletop. Make sure it's positioned straight, not diagonally, and aligned at a right angle with the edge of the tabletop. Secure the foot sensor firmly using the provided screws. Now, let's begin unboxing and installing your Singer sewing machine, model S9900. We'll guide you step by step through the entire process, so you're ready to start an amazing sewing journey with your new Singer machine. Inside the machine box, you'll find an instruction manual, thread spools, an oil tank, and other essential accessories to help you set up and maintain your sewing machine. Next, let's install the oil tank. First, position both cushions correctly, then firmly insert the holders onto all 4 sides of the tank. Finally, carefully place the oil tank into position. Now, let's install the rest post and securely fit the oil cap plug into place. Now, carefully place the machine onto the table and insert the 2 hinges into their positions. Next, we'll install the knee lifter. First, tighten this nut firmly. Then, push the rod inside and tighten it as well. Now, insert the assembly into the knee pressing shaft and secure it by firmly tightening the nut. To make sure it's working correctly, you can also press the knee lifter with your hand and check if the needle bar lifts smoothly. Next, we'll connect the power connector cable. Align the two arrow marks facing each other. Push both connectors firmly together and then securely close the cover. Now, pass the foot sensor connector plug through the same hole, insert it into the designated port, and secure it by firmly closing the cover. Next, let's install the thread spool post. Insert the post into position here. Then secure it firmly below the tabletop by tightening the provided nut. Now, install the thread spool base as shown. Next, firmly secure the spool post connector into place. Ensure the engraved circle is aligned exactly as shown. Tighten the screw firmly. Now, insert the spool post extension rod into position and tighten it firmly. Next, insert the upper thread guide rod and secure it firmly into place. Now, let's attach the spool holders securely into place. Make sure the spool holders are fastened securely. Now, place both spool bases into their positions. Now that we've successfully installed the machine, let's move on to filling the oil. Gently tilt the machine back into the rest position. Take out the original Singer sewing machine oil provided in the package and begin pouring it into the oil tank until it reaches the optimal level. For a detailed step-by-step guide on oil filling, be sure to check out our dedicated video on the topic. Now, let's thread the machine properly. To learn the detailed step-by-step process for threading your new Singer 9900, be sure to check out our dedicated DIY video on threading. Congratulations! Your Singer 9900 series sewing machine is now fully installed and ready to use. Enjoy a smooth and seamless sewing experience ahead.